So perhaps you're really stuck in a fix-it mindset. There's something wrong with me. I gotta change this right now. May have done my longer, broader tapping on getting out of fixing, but this is to use when you're just, really deep in it and you're convinced, right? Your body, everything is like, this is wrong. I gotta fix this. Side of the hand, repeat after me. I know I need to fix this. This is really wrong. I'm open to having some compassion for myself anyway. I know I need to fix this. Whatever philosophy there is about the nervous system and protection and all that stuff, whatever. This is a problem. I need it fixed now. Just choose to acknowledge where I'm at. Even though this right now is a real problem. This needs to be fixed and solved. I don't have time for any other ideas. I choose to honor and accept as best I can how urgent this is for me and everything I'm feeling. Through the points now. I gotta fix this. I don't care anything I've heard about allowing or accepting. I'm over it with this. Or perhaps this is too sudden and too urgent. I can't pretend to accept this. I can't pretend this is okay. Doesn't feel like this is just trying to protect me. This feels bad and wrong. This is a problem and it needs to be solved. I need to solve this now. I need relief. I can't deal with this. No one could deal with this. This isn't one of those little things we can tap on or discuss. This is a major problem. It needs to be fixed. I need to solve this. I need to get rid of this. That's just what needs to happen. I'm letting myself feel the intensity of that. I'm allowing what feels like the truth of this. I may even feel frustration or annoyance about any of this trying to welcome or accept things. I am acknowledging what I actually feel. And I'm going to invite myself to feel it as much as is available. Just letting it come up. The raw emotion of this. The raw urgency of it. That it feels like there's truly something bad or wrong. I don't have access to any other ideas about this. This is wrong, I'm wrong, something is bad. This needs to be fixed. I gotta let go or get rid of this somehow. And I'm going to allow myself to feel it exactly as I do. No trying to do it right. No trying to spiritualize this or get philosophical or intellectual about it. I'm feeling what I'm feeling around this. Unedited, uncensored. No longer trying to do anything right. Trying to allow or accept. Trying to be more positive. I can't do any of that right now. I'm letting myself feel what I actually feel. Relaxing anything about what I'm supposed to feel or do. Just being here, right where I am. Feeling exactly what I'm feeling. Relaxing even more the editing. The voice saying, yeah, but you're supposed to welcome or not resist or surrender. Or, hey, we got to turn that around, choose a positive thought. Letting it all go. Just feeling exactly what I'm feeling. Maybe there is something that needs to be done in this situation. In which case, I'm listening. Maybe I do need to do something. Relaxing any ideas about what I'm supposed to do or not do. Tuning in. Tuning into the reality of this moment. Not any teaching or idea. Do I need to do something here? Allowing whatever comes up to come up. And most importantly, just continuing to allow myself to feel the reality of what I'm feeling. Letting it process. Letting it do what it needs to do. Letting me have my thoughts and feelings without fighting them. Not allowing acceptance or welcoming to turn into another should. Just allowing this all to move through me and feel exactly what I'm feeling. And wherever this needs to go for me, I'm open to it. Take a breath. Tune in. See what's going on. There may be more coming up, more frustration, more anger. If so, keep going. Tap again. Do this round again. If it's guiding you to do something else, if you need to go scream into a pillow, right? The thing is just to be with what's actually coming up for you as best you can, what's needed for you, including if there's something you got to do, something you got to, phone call you got to make, got to go see someone, whatever it is, right? We're not trying to get stuck in teachings or ideas. Even though my whole thing is like, not fixing, welcoming. This is welcoming, right? I hate this and I want to get rid of it. Maybe that's where you're at. Maybe that's what you're welcoming. Stay with what you need. Reach out if you need support. Hope it helps. Talk to you soon.